How to disable speech services by Google English US update downloading error. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can actually fix the English speech US download error on your Android phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now this type of error generally happens when you've restarted mobile, when you've updated it, or when you've installed a custom ROM or a custom operating system, and then you simply want to actually go ahead and then remove that notifications. You could be getting the notifications in your notifications panel, right? In order to remove the speech services error, what you need to do is just go ahead and open up settings. Then once you open up settings, first of all you want to look for the option called apps. Then you want to go ahead and tap on it. As you tap on apps, select the option called search button, which is at the very top of the screen. Then in the search box you would simply want to type in speech services by Google, and then you most likely see the default app pop up on the list. You want to just tap on the option, then scroll and then select the option called storage. Tap on clear cache. If possible, also tap on clear data. Now clearing the data of its speech services is going to delete your Google Assistant data as well. So keeping that thing in mind, the next thing you want to do is open up your Google Play Store. Once you open up your Google Play Store, in the search box you want to go ahead and simply type in speech services by Google. So just go ahead and type in speech services by Google. As you do that, you'll see the very first app pop up on the list. Now sometimes you could see the update button, right? If in your case you see the update button, you want to make sure to just tap on the update button, or else you want to simply tap on uninstall and then reinstall the speech services by Google application to most likely fix the issue. Then after you do this, restart your Android phone and the notification should likely be removed. And that is it for today's video on how you can fix the speech services by Google downloading the English US update error. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.